This time we're going to convert percents to the decimal number. Okay, again I'm going to start with the formula. Remember, anytime we're going to look for the decimal number, you're supposed to use the formula decimal number is equal percent over 100%. Percent number divided by 100%. Remember, anytime we will divide any whole number or decimal number by 100%, we have to move the decimal point twice to left. Let's take a look at the very first example. Now, at this moment, we are not seeing any decimal point. Remember that anytime we have whole number, because 45 is the whole number, okay? So whole number has always decimal point invisible at the end of that number, okay? So I have to make this decimal point visible, and simply what we have to do, we have to divide that number by 100%. So that's why I'm going to have 45% over 100%. Remember, percent and percent will cancel out, and I'm going to move my decimal point twice to the left. So I'm going to have 1, 2. My answer is going to be equal 0.45. Now let's take a look at another example. Again, we do not have decimal point. I mean, the decimal point is invisible. I have to make it visible. Okay, in order to convert this to the decimal number, you have to take the percent number, 129%, and divide that number by 100%. Percent and percent will cancel out. We have to move the decimal point twice to left, because number of zeros is telling me how many times I have to move my decimal point to the left. So I have 1, 2. My answer is 1.29. Let's take a look at this example. Again, I have to find my decimal point. Remember, decimal point is invisible. I have to make it visible. Okay, it's always at the end of the number. And simply divide percent number, which is 4%, over 100%. Remember, percent and percent will cancel out, and move the decimal point twice to left. 1, 2. That's why my answer is going to be 0.04. This is my solution.